PowerPoint is not just for slideshows. I've used it to create full-fledged video games that push this software in ways I didn't even think was possible. But the problem with those games is that they are way too easy.
It's me, Mario!
So today, I want to see if I can create a real challenge in PowerPoint. A game that shows no mercy and crushes the spirits of even the most hardcore gamers. I'm challenging my friend Samyam to see who can create the hardest PowerPoint game in 1 hour to see how brutal you can actually make a game in a 30-year-old software that thinks this page curl transition is cutting edge technology. Enjoy the video and consider subscribing if you like it. But first, huge thanks to GameMaker for sponsoring this part of the video. Obviously, there are a ton of paths you can take when creating a game, but what I personally do appreciate about GameMaker is its approach to pricing. It's straightforward and really accessible. If you're looking to create games just for fun, GameMaker lets you do that for free on all non-console platforms, and if you do decide to sell your game, you pay once and it's yours forever. No annual charges, revenue sharing. It honestly is so refreshing, especially compared to the models of literally any of its commercial competitors. But one crucial aspect I can never stress enough when you're learning game development is the community around the tools you use. Having a solid support network and just a huge pool of shared knowledge honestly makes the process so much easier and just more enjoyable. GameMaker really excels here with active online forums for troubleshooting and seeking feedback, and Discord channels for real-time advice or just to hang out with other developers. And if the thought of coding is a bit overwhelming, GameMaker makes it easier with GML visual coding, which is a user-friendly, more visual way to make games, but it also offers advanced scripting tools as well, with big games like Undertale and Hotline Miami made with the engine. So if any of this interests you, click the link in the description right now and download GameMaker. Let's go ahead and call Samyam and get this competition started. Samyam, hello. We both made PowerPoint games before, right?
Unfortunately.
How long did your game take you?
It took me like a day or so.
So do you think we're gonna be able to pull this off in 1 hour?
Probably not, but...
All right, are you ready? I don't know about you, but I was born ready for this. People call me a bit of a PowerPoint expert. People call me that.
Yeah. As
soon as I press this button, the challenge will officially begin. In 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go! Good luck, Samyam. Hope you win. Just kidding, I hope she absolutely loses. And we already know that's going to happen because I have a genius plan. So the most difficult games usually have terrifying bosses or complicated real-time physics, things that don't play very well to PowerPoint's capabilities. But there's one game that I think would work perfectly as a PowerPoint presentation. Stop yapping and make the damn game. We're getting to it. We are getting to it. Games take planning. My games are not bad. My games, good games like myself, okay, we'll just get started. I'm sorry. So this is the world's hardest game. This is an online game that made me rage way too many times as a child. But now it is time to use it to win this competition.
He hung up on me. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, actually. I was thinking of doing something with this thing because it's in the public domain now. We can do like find Waldo. Oh, find the Mickey. Wait, that's actually a great idea. And it's easy.
So let's run through the game and I'll show you guys how it works. So in the world's hardest game, you play as a square, a red square, and you go through. Most people struggle, but what you do is you have to really work on the timing. And if you're good like me, most people struggle with games like these because there's lots of timing and coordination involved, but most people struggle with games like these because there's lots of timing and coordination involved, but if you're like me, okay. I think you guys get the idea. I'm pretty good at it, but yeah, this game can be difficult for beginners. So we have created a brand new game project, and by game project, I mean it's just a PowerPoint slide. And this game is perfect for PowerPoint. And the reason why is that PowerPoint has an incredibly useful feature called action buttons. If you have a shape in PowerPoint, what you can do is add an action somehow. I know how to do this, but just to show you guys just to show you guys how to do it, for the people at home following along, you go to the Insert tab and select an action button from... Oh, okay. So with actions, you can basically turn any shape into a button that triggers an event when you click it or when you hover your mouse over it. So this mouse hover option allows you to kind of create obstacles for your mouse. So let's say this is an obstacle. You can't touch this blue square. If you touch this blue square, your entire family will die. In real life, not in the game. When you hover over this blue square, you can link to any slide in your presentation. So let's say, just for us, the last slide, which will be our game over slide. So you can add some text to our presentation, which I know how to do, guys. I'm the PowerPoint expert. But just to show you guys, game over. Okay, so now when we run our presentation and we hover over this blue square, we will die. And there we go. We have the foundation of the world's hardest game in PowerPoint. Looks easy. Okay. We're gonna make it actually hard now. Watch this.
Look at some examples here. Find Waldo. Oh, maybe I can have multiple of these things, and then you have to go through each of the slides trying to find Mickey and like this vast array of people. Basically, when we click this guy, we want it to win the game. I think it was an action. Here we go. Let's put next slide. You win. Boo. I like that. Let's draw an arrow here. It's a great arrow, guys. Great arrow. Do something like this, and then so we can like go through the different pages. Make me an image in the style of... Never gonna find this.
Let's do something similar to the first level in the world's hardest game, which features moving squares. It has squares that move to the left and to the right across the screen. Like this. Like pretend I'm like a square, and it's like... And you're probably wondering, well, this is a PowerPoint slide. How do you do that? And that is where animations come in. So animations will allow us to move our obstacles around in pretty much any pattern, which allows you to create very complex obstacles and very difficult levels. Haha! Just like in the world's hardest game. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Okay, this is gonna be like a little jump scare. Okay. Oh, that was loud. Now we play a sound.
Alright, so now we have our first level of the world's hardest game in PowerPoint. We start here, go through these moving obstacles, and right now when you reach the end of the level, nothing happens. But thankfully, with the power of actions, this is a really easy thing to fix. So what I'm gonna do is create another shape. Let's mix things up a bit and make it a circle. Put it down here, and on mouse over, instead of killing you, what we'll do is we will hyperlink to the next slide, which will be level 2. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep playing the world's hardest game. Okay, so the first level we created something pretty similar. Second level is a similar concept. Let me go. Oh shoot. All right, let's go ahead and make a Google Doc of some levels we can use as inspiration. And by that, I mean completely rip them off. This is a cool one, this is a cool one, this is a cool one. Another obstacle that we can create is sort of this like a rotating thing that rotates. Similar to what you see on the screen right here. And how is he taking this long? Because it's actually embarrassing. If I was the one playing right now, we would have been in this level a long time ago. I don't understand how he's doing so bad. Okay. I don't know about this one. I think we have enough inspiration to go ahead and create some more levels. But I also think currently our game is a little bit ugly, so we should clean it up a bit. We can just take our shapes, add a thick outline. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, it has like a checkerboard background, which we can also add something similar to that. Now our game is looking absolutely beautiful. Just look at this. All right, now let's go ahead and create a second level. We have 30 minutes. Okay, so I'd say we can spend just like 20 minutes just pumping out levels. Okay, let's make a long, skinny rectangle. Spin. That is actually perfect. We just need to make it loop, and that is absolutely perfect. Okay, all right, so you beat the first level. There we go. Okay, there we go. Aha! And now, I mean, you can go around it, which I guess doesn't make sense. I have to make it longer than the screen so that you can't just go around it. Okay, this is sweet. This is actually difficult. So you have to time it and you go. Whoa! Level 2 is solid. It's time to create our third level. Oh, I know. We should make a level that is a ton of these. Just a large quantity of these things. This is scary. This is scary. This is so scary. Okay. So you just have to have confidence. Okay. Ah! All right. Go down, down, down. Ah! Okay. Third level is a little bit difficult, but I think it's possible. Let's move on to level 4 because we do not have time to waste time doing stupid little things like play testing and quality assurance. Expert game developers like me do not need to do that kind of stuff. We have 18 minutes left, so really quick, just to make sure we don't run out of time before adding crucial features, I'm gonna finish up the game over screen, add a retry button to it, and then also create the win screen for our game. Okay, change the text color. 3D? Whoa, that's so cool. We're wasting so much time right now. And there we go. This is absolutely beautiful. And then we just need a you win screen, which is super easy because we can just take our game over screen and just say, you win. So now we have a complete game loop in theory. First, we just have to see if it actually works. So, okay, you die, you can retry. Okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, you beat the first level, move on to the second level. And you beat the second level, move on to the third level. Last one. And you win! And it works! Our game actually works. 60 seconds! Do we actually have to do 60? You guys need to please stop it. Please stop. World's Hardester game. The new and improved World's Hardest game. Could not have a more fitting name. I'm gonna make the level similar to our first level, but with a much less forgiving pathway. Okay, perfect. Another level is done. How much time do we have? All right, we have 2 minutes and 50 seconds left. I'm not even gonna play test this. Let's just hope it works. And let's try and add one more level to our game. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. We have a minute left. We have a minute left. This is the worst time for my mind to draw a blank.
Find the boat human mouse. Or else. This is beautiful.
Let's take this thing. Let's take one of these. Let's make it even harder by making it into a little windmill. Aha, okay, so we have like a windmill now. Okay, that's time. This will be the final level, I guess. But now it is time to call Samyam, see what she made, and see who created the hardest PowerPoint game.
Done.
I see. I got you. I would never be adding more to my game. My game, as soon as the timer ended, I'm not touching it at all. And it's time to play each other's games and see who created the world's hardest PowerPoint game. Which is going to be mine, but...
Yeah, I don't know about that. But...
Find the boat's human mouse, or else. I have no idea what that means. Oh, so it's like, where's Waldo? But you have to find the boat, human mouse. Oh, I can like navigate the screen? Wait, this is so cool. Wait. Now, that was not funny. So I'm looking for Mickey Mouse, but the non-copyright version. Okay, I see. No, what is it? What is it this time? What is it this time? What is this?
For the past
This is
few
where-
videos, my goal has been to learn a new framework or library. This started off with libgdx, a Java framework I used in the libgdx game jam, then Raylib with C++ in RE46. And last weekend I participated in the 2020
Last weekend, I
GMTK
participated in the 2020 GMTK Game Jam,
hosted by the Game Makers
hosted by the
Toolkit
Game Makers
YouTube channel
Toolkit
with the
YouTube
goal
channel
of creating a
with the
game
goal
with
of creating a game
SDL2.
with SDL2.
I like libgdx
I like
and
libgdx
Raylib,
and
but SDL
Raylib,
is
but
appealing to me
SDL
because
is
it's high
appealing to
level
me.
enough that
Shut
easily
up! Let's not go down there ever again. I'll wait till my cursor turns into a hand, and that will mean I'm hovering over him. No, what? Long. What is?
Just scroll down.
Click to. Oh.
Just-
Oh. Wow. This is fun. This is fun. I feel like I should have stopped by now, but I'm kind of in a trance. Up, to the right. Where is this dude? What video is this? What video? Oh no, we're not letting that video. We're not letting that video play.
Oh,
ever
this
again.
is so funny.
What is rent a hit? Rent a hitman. Your point and click solution. Wait, can I hire a hitman? Wait, if I hire a hitman on you, does that count as me winning?
That's a little illegal, but
I could try.
you're caught in 4K too. You're streaming.
Yeah, maybe okay.
Maybe
I'll
on
do
your
it
own
off
time?
stream.
Oh,
Yeah,
look.
yeah. Maybe I'll do it off stream. But thank you for sharing this website with me, because if I don't win this competition, then I know what I'll have to do to get first place.
Is that a threat?
What is? No. Only in Minecraft. I like these AI characters. Some of them are actually like nightmare fuel. This is not a human face. This is not a human right here. I don't know what expression that guy is making, but I cannot. I could try. It's like.
Do 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 do. Do you want a hint on what slide he's on?
Yeah, I think I'll take you up on your hint now.
He
So
was
there's four
on the
sides. Is
previous slide you were on.
it this one, right?
No,
Wait, what?
no, I don't
What
know how
side
to
was
get
on?
there anymore. Okay, he's
No.
there. He's there. Not in
Wait,
the
here?
hitman. Yeah, he's in that slide.
Oh, okay.
You're just putting your mouse through everything. Someone says play hot and cold.
Okay, yeah.
Cold.
Cold. Okay. What about over here?
Hotter,
Hotter, okay.
but still.
Here. Is this
no,
colder or warmer?
Colder. Warmer!
Oh my god! He's so tiny! I see him! He's down here! He's so small! Look how tiny this is, chat. He is... Okay, he was covered by my webcam, so you guys had literally no chance in this. But thankfully, I'm an expert and found him right here. That game was hard, but I'm confident that my game will be even harder.
Okay.
So this is the world's hardest game. It's a very original game.
Oh,
Okay.
Oh, I get it.
You beat that first level concerningly fast, but
it is pretty hard, but it's very polished.
okay. Whoa, okay. Am I just really bad? Now this is gonna stop you. Wait, is this possible? No, yeah, it's possible. It's possible.
Oh, I touched the
Whoa.
corner. Oh, I have to start all over again?
Yeah. It is the world's hardest game.
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay.
You're locking in. Wait, is this possible? I may have not tested this one, but I believe in you. You got this. You're a pro. Is this even? Oh my gosh. Okay, you got this. I believe in you. When you're voting, this game is pretty hard. Am I right? Oh my gosh. This is it.
No, I touched the top.
That's actually painful. Yeah, wait. Okay, you got this. You just have to have confidence and just full speed. Okay.
Yeah, I know. That's.
Yes! Oh my gosh! I don't know. I don't know how you did that. Okay.
Finally. I don't know how I did it either.
I actually,
Um,
I did not think this game was possible. There you go. You have defeated the world's hardester game. With that, it is time to find out who created the hardest PowerPoint game. Samyam or Polymars++. You guys know what to do. Let's look at the results.
I made the hardest game. Polymars is,
Okay.
after a bit of practice, it's pretty easy.
Okay, okay. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Oh, it's close. It's close. 12. It's tied. 12 to 12. My game literally had. My game didn't have too much.
I mean, it was pretty polished.
It had some beautiful art. It had square. It had rectangle. Circle. It had circle. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Last. Come back.
Come on.
Okay. 21 to 19. You may have won. Good game. Congratulations on making the hardest game. Even though we just,
Thank you.
just put a tiny photo of Mickey on like a PowerPoint slide.
Excuse me, this was a lot of work.